Part B, Unit 1, Digital Documentation Advanced, Chapter 2, Adding Graphics in a Document. Computer graphics are pictures, images, shapes, and objects which we can insert in a document. Graphics provides an visual impact, catch attention of reader, and helps to better understanding the contents. These graphics helps to understand the contents in a better way. Images have different file formats like GIF, JPG, JPEG, PNG and BMP. These are the file extension which we insert in our document, and as we insert any images, you see these all are having the extension of GIF, JPG, JPEG, PNG and BMPs. Inserting images. In MS Word, there are several ways to insert images in a document. Inserting images from file, inserting images from clip art, inserting images by drag and drop method, inserting images from clipboard, inserting images from scanner. We'll discuss one by one these all the inserting images formats. First, inserting images from file. We can insert images in a document which is already available on computer or downloaded pictures. To insert an image from file, we need to follow some steps. First, click on Insert tab, Picture option from Illustration group. Then Insert Picture dialog box will open. Browse the file path, the location from where you want to insert the picture. Select the image file which you want to insert in a document and click on Insert button. Now see, as you will open the Microsoft Word document, you just click on the Insert tab, and in Illustration group you will get the option Picture. Click on this Insert Picture from File option. As you will click on it, you will get a one dialog box, Insert Picture dialog box. In this, you just set the file path where your picture is stored. That path you set. Then select the picture which you want to insert in a document and click on Insert button, which is given in the dialog box. Second method, clip art. Clip art is a collection of pictures or images that are available in Microsoft Office Gallery. The clip art pictures is provided by Microsoft company with its software. So this is a collection of pictures. To inserting images from the clip art, we need to follow some step. First, click on Insert tab, Illustration group and choose the clip art option. A clip art task pane will appear at the right side of the screen. Write the image category which you want to search in the search box and choose the desired image and click on Insert button. For this, first select the Insert tab, click on Illustration group, and this illustration group you will get the clip art option. As you will click on this clip art option, at the right side of the screen you will get a one clip art task pane. In this one box is given, it's a search for. Write the category of the picture which you want to search from the clip art gallery and the picture will display down. You can choose the picture which you want to insert in your document. As I selected this picture, as you will click on this picture, you will get a one small pop-up menu. Select the Insert option from this and you will get the picture in your document. Inserting images using drag and drop method. Drag and drop refers to select an image from particular location and drag and drop it to the another location. This is the easiest way to insert the picture, to place the picture. As first you just go to the location from where you want to drag the picture. As we have selected here as a desktop because our picture are available on the desktop. So we have opened this desktop, and desktop this having the pictures folder, that we are having two pictures. Okay, one picture, the second picture we want to drop it in the desktop screen. So just select the picture and press the left mouse button and drag your mouse and drop it on the desktop screen. So your picture will move from this picture folder to the desktop. Inserting images from clipboard. We can insert images from clipboard by cut, copy and paste method. As first, you just see the two windows are showing on the screen. The backside window is the source window from where we want to insert the picture. This is also open that window. Select the path as our picture is available on the desktop. We have chosen the desktop and two pictures were available there. So that's showing here. And after it, we want to make a copy from first picture and we want to paste it in the Microsoft Word document. So both the document you can open together, or you can switch one by one also on it. Select the picture which you want to copy. Right click on the picture. A small pop-up menu will appear. Choose the copy option from here, and after it go to the document, and in document again right click, press the right mouse button. A small pop-up menu will appear again and choose the paste option. So the picture which you have copied, it stored in the clipboard, and as you will paste it in your Word document, that will appear in your Word. Inserting images from scanner. Sometimes we need to insert the pictures, images from the scanner directly. So we need to insert the pictures from the scanner, and for this we just need the scanner with our computer system. For this, first you go to the Microsoft Office, and in this Microsoft Office you will get Microsoft Clip Organizer. As you will click on this Microsoft Clip Organizer, a one dialog box will appear, this Microsoft Clip Organizer. Here just click on the File menu and choose Add Clips to Organizer. And from this you will get from scanner or camera. You can see, first click on File, then Add Clips to Organizer, then choose the from scanner or camera. Select the scanner device which is attached with your computer. Click on Insert tab. You will see the image in your collection. That means from the scanner, directly from the scanner, if you want to get the picture in your screen, so you just need the scanner first. You attach the scanner with your computer. Then just go to the Clip Organizer, and from there you can choose the scanner option. Modifying images. By applying the border on image, if we want to apply the border, we need to select the picture. For modification, it is necessary we need to select the picture first. Otherwise, no modification will be applicable on the images or the pictures. As we have selected this picture, after that if you want to apply the border on it, you can choose the border style which you want to apply on this picture. Click on that, and that will be applicable on your picture. Rotating picture. If you want to rotate the picture in a particular angle, so you can use the rotate option. For this, select the picture. As you click on this picture, you select the picture, you will see the rotate option at the right side. As you can see the arrow also, this rotate option. Or you can use this green icon also. You just put the pointer on this place and move your pointer. That will start rotating. As angle you want to move, you just move your mouse pointer also, or you can use this rotate option also. It will give 90-degree angles to you for moving the pictures, for rotating pictures. Crop option. This option is used to remove the unwanted part from the picture. As you see, the network devices is given and we want to remove this server picture from this network devices. So select the picture and click on this crop option at the right side which is given. As you will choose this crop option, you will see the headers are coming here. Drag your pointer and remove this server. As you can see in the second picture, drag your pointer till laptop and then click on crop button again. So till here your picture will crop. That means this server picture will remove from your network devices picture. It will look like this. And sometimes we need to be resize the picture. We want to make it enlarge. We want to increase or decrease the size of the picture. Sometimes we need to be shrink or stretch the picture. So how we can do that? As you will select the picture, you will get the some handles will come on it. You just select them as the corner one. Drag the corner handle to increase or decrease the size. If you want to increase or decrease the size of this picture, you just drag the corner handles. Click on this and drag your mouse and it will increase the size. Okay, if you want to increase or decrease, you can use this one. Drag the side handle. You can see in the between that, drag the side handle to shrink or stretch images. Sometimes we need to be shrink or stretch the images, so we can use the middle drags handles, which you can drag it and you can just shrink or stretch the images. To delete the image, we need to select the image which you want to delete and press the delete button from your keyboard. Some more modification also we can apply in an image as some corrections. As you have clicked the picture, but contrast is not in a proper way, so you can click on the correction option. It is available in the format tab. Remember, as you will select the picture, then this format tab will appear. Otherwise, it will not come. So select the picture, then format tab will show. Choose the correction option. As you will click on this correction, you will get the list of the different contrast one. Whichever you want to apply, you just select that. That will be applicable on your picture. Second, sometimes we need to give the black and white effects or some color shades effects to it. So for this, we need to select the picture first. Then go to the format tab, and in that format tab you will get the option colors. As you will click on this color one, you will get the different colors format here. You can choose any one from them and that will be applicable on your picture. As you want to give the green shade, the black one, black and white, or the red shade, you can choose from the color option. Sometimes we need to give the artistic effect to our picture. For this, select the picture and then go to the format tab, and here you will get the artistic effect option. Click on it and there are the different styles of the artistic effects is given. You can choose, you can select for your picture. Sometimes we need to change the picture, as we have inserted the one picture and after that we want to change it with the another picture. So for this, select the picture, the previous one, and go to the change picture option in the format tab. Change picture option, as you will click on this change picture option, you will get a one dialog box. In this dialog box you will see the picture that which inserted one and the new picture also. So as you select the second one and click on insert, it will replace by the second picture. As you have inserted the picture, you need to add the border to it. As you want to apply the border, select the picture and go to the format tab. In that format tab you will get picture styles group, and this picture styles group you can choose the border style from here. If you want to show the picture in the round, if you want to give the thick border to your picture, you can choose from here. And you can select the picture border color also, as you have selected, because in the picture style the black color is given in the picture borders. As you want to change the picture border, you just select the picture, then just go to the picture border option. As you will click on it, you will get the list of the colors. You can select the color, and if you want to change the thickness of the border, so you can go to the weight option also, and you can choose the line style and the line thickness. As you can see in this picture, the color has changed which we have selected in this picture. And we can apply some different effects on our picture also. Sometimes we need to give the shadow effects to it. Sometimes we need to show it in the 3D effects. So we can apply the different effects on the picture. For this, you just select the picture. After it, click on the picture effect option. As you will click on this picture effect option, you will get the different formats here. As you are going to the preset one, and you can select the 3D effects for it, that will be that will show the picture in this way. And you can choose other styles also. As you want to get it, you just click on it. Next, if we want to change the layout of the picture layout, as it's looking as a simple picture, but sometime we need to be put some text also with it. We want to change in the smart art graphics. So for this, you can click on the picture, then choose the picture layout option. In this picture layout option, you will get the different layout list. Whichever you want to show in your picture format, you just click on it, that will appear on your screen. As you can see, the picture and the text. In that place of the text, you can write any text for the picture, for the image. As we need to set the position of the picture in our document. We want to see the picture at the top, bottom, at the right side, left side, in the center. We can set the position of the pictures. So as select the picture and just go to the position option, and this you will get the different position of the pictures at the top left, top center, top right, middle left, middle center or middle right, and bottom left, bottom center and bottom right. As you want to show your picture the place, you can choose from the list of this position. Wrap text. this wrap text, we need to be sometime we need to be insert the picture with the text matter. So this option helps us to show the text also with the picture. We can adjust the picture with the text matter by using this wrap text method. As you can see in the document, we have written a one text here, two paragraphs is given and one picture. If we want to wrap the text with this picture, we can use the different formats here as in line with text. The picture will come with the text. The lines will come with this picture also, the text with the text. Square, the picture, the text matter will come around the picture in the square form. Tight, that means the picture will come with the graphics with this text matter the tight way, very closer. And through is in this also, the picture will come in the between, and both the sides are four sides the text matter will come. Top and bottom, in this, at the top of the picture and the bottom of the picture the text will appear. And behind text, you want to set the picture at the behind this, you can apply it also. You can see in the picture, as this we have selected the square one. So this square one is taking the picture in between and both the sides the text matter also given. Here top and bottom, in the top side and the bottom side the picture is in the middle. The top side the text is written and the bottom side is also written. And behind text, as you can see, the text matter is coming front and the picture is behind the text. And we can choose the in front of text also. In front of text, that means picture will appear in front of text which is written here. And these all effects we can apply by the dialog box launcher also. For this, select the picture, then go to the format tab, and in that format tab you just go to the picture style, and this one dialog box launcher button is available. Click on this dialog box launcher. As you will click on this, you will get a one dialog box format picture. In this format picture, you can change the color of the picture, you can change the brightness, you can change the contrast, you can change the picture color. This, or you can apply the shadow effects, line color, line style, which we have already done in the images. Drawing objects, shapes in a document. If we want to insert the shapes in a document, so how we can insert it? For this, we need to click on Insert tab, and in the illustration group you will get the option shapes. As you will click on the shapes option, you will get the list of the different shapes. There are the different categories of that, lines one, rectangles one, the shapes, basic shapes, block, arrows, as like different categories of the shape you will get, and you can choose the shape which you want to insert in your document. Click on that, and as you will click on it, you just drag your mouse and this which size you want to insert the shape. As you will drag it more, so big picture will, big image which big object will insert, big shape will insert in your document. If you will make it a small one, so small shape will insert in your document. After it, as you want to just shift it, as this is at the left side and we want to shift it, so just drag the picture, select the picture first and press the left mouse button and drag it to the right side. As you can see in the second picture, the picture will move to the another place. You can, as you will click on the picture, you will see the 4 header will come. This is another name of the cross symbol. As you will click on it and drag the mouse yours to the another location, the picture will move from one place to another. As we want to fill the shape with a different color, so select the picture first, the shape, then as you will click on the shape, then you will get the format tab. In that format tab you can choose the shape fill. In the shape, as you will click on the shape fill option, you will get the different colors and you can choose the color in which you want to fill your shape. As we want to change the outline of the shape also, for this same, select the picture, select the object or the shape, then format tab will select, go to the shape outline. As you will click on the shape outline, you will get here the outline will change, outline color will change. There is a difference in between shape fill, the inside color of the shape will change, and shape outline, the outline color will change. Okay, so you can choose the color from outline this. And if we want to change the thickness of the image or shape, so for this select the shape and go to the shape outline, and the shape, as you will click on it, you will get here option the weight. In that weight you will get the different line thickness points. You can choose whichever you want to apply on your shape. And in this dash option you can apply the lining style also, in which your text will appear, your image, your shapes will appear. And if you want to give the effects, as the effects we have given to the pictures also, here we are having different image effects, the shape effects. Select the shape and just go to the shape effects option, and from here you will get the different one. Glow, in that glow, the red glow, the blue glow and the green glow, as the different colors glow you will see in the picture, and you can insert in the shape. Wrapping text. As the wrapping I told you, with the pictures also, with the shape also we can apply the wrapping text. Wrapping text means surrounding an image or the drawing object within the text. If you want to show the picture with the text, we can use the wrapping text for it. It is available in the arrange group of the format tab. This format tab appears when you select the picture, otherwise it will not open. For this, select the picture. After it, write some paragraph or text matter with the picture, the down or up as you want to get it. Then just go to the format tab. In the format tab you will get the wrap text option. Click on this wrap text. As you will click on it, you will get the same option which we have seen in the picture also. You can apply the shapes also. If you want to send the behind text, you want to send this object, this shape, backside of the text matter, you can click on the behind text. If you want that it should come in front of text, so you can click on it. You can select the tight also, you can select the square also in line with text. So these all are having the different impact. And the top and bottom also, the picture will come in, the shape will come in between, and the one text line will come at the top and the one is come at the bottom. Sometime we need to insert the two pictures and we want to make a group of these pictures. As you can see, we have inserted two pictures here and we want to make these two pictures as a one group. Otherwise, we have to click on one picture, we have to resize the picture, then we have to go to the second picture, then we have to resize it. Okay, if we want to resize together these pictures, we can insert in the group form. So insert the 2 or 3 pictures more than 2 or 3 also you can insert. Select that all the pictures by pressing the control key from your keyboard. As you press the control key, click on first picture, then click on second picture. As you will select both the pictures, just go to the arrange group, and here you will get the option group. In this group, these both the pictures will come in a one group. You can see here. As you will select the group, that will come in this one group. As you want to resize it, you just use the handles, the corner handles and the middle handles to resize this picture. So both the pictures will resize together because we have done the grouping of these two pictures. As you want to ungroup it, again you want to make it in the previous form as it was previously. So just select it and go to the group option. In that group option you will see the ungroup is highlighted. So click on this ungroup. The picture will ungroup and it will be as a separate as it was previously.